I bought this camera off Amazon. I will look up the brand. And I believe I just paid $69 for it, which I know is not a lot, so I can't expect a lot from this. But I wanted to give a quick review. You turn it on using this button, hold it down. You'll see welcome. And then you're able, this is what I wanted, to be able to record and see what I'm recording at the same time. So that works. You have your mode and your menu back here. It says bye, well, I missed it. But anyway, you take your shots here by you pushing this button, and also record. It was okay. The only thing that I ended up not liking is you have your slots here to charge, transfer your data. You have your little SD card here, and you push the button, or you push it in and it'll release. Yep, it'll release, and it's this small, and it doesn't hold that much data. I tried to record a couple of videos on it, and yeah, it didn't last long at all. So it's for short videos, or multiple pictures, and then go ahead and transfer it to your, like, my computer is where I transfer my information. But that's one thing I don't like about it. This is a good starter camera though, but I'll keep it and use it until I get up to 1,000 subscribers. That's my first goal, guys. If I get 1,000 subscribers on my According to D-Law channel, I will buy me a new camera, more expensive camera that holds more information. So I hope you guys help me reach that goal. Just hit that subscribe button, hit like and comment, and I would greatly appreciate it, guys. Hope you enjoyed this review. Talk to you later. Bye-bye.